Hello and welcome. Well, I finally made it to the bus museum on the 15th of February, and it's nice to see that it was all intact and lovely and clean and well presented. It's always a joy to visit, and this is one of the new little collections that they've added. And Esseline, I could never recall Esseline and all the other products that Esso made. That one and fourpence sounded cheap. And two electric buses on, one on the left, one on the right. The one on the left, unusual, because it had a double axle at the back. And here's the signs from the buses. The destination, all on a roll, which the conductor used to have to turn a little handle to get the destination that they wanted. And then it was in the box, and then when they got to the terminus, they had to put the next destination into it. Beautiful little Ribble bus that, on a Leyland chassis and coachwork. And this leads us down to 436, the 1934 Manchester Corporation double-deck bus. And she's coming along nicely. And just a little update on this. They've now got the destination panel fitted to the top upper deck at the front, and also inside I think they finally sorted out the driver's floorboards and all the various pedal holes that were needed. But most importantly, there it is, nice little job to that. They've now got the gear lever in position. And in one of the videos that I did, that was just lying on the floor. But it's fitted onto this donor engine. That's not going to be the one that's going to be fitted, but they're using it to test everything fits. And I had to go at the gear lever sneakily, and it's lovely and tight, and it should be just a job. They are. It's been refurbished and just fitted temporarily on this donor engine, but it fits a treat. And now the cab is sort of coming along nicely. A lot more to go though, all the electrics to go in, and fuse boxes and starter boxes, and you name it. A mammoth task, but it's coming along nicely. Now we're looking at the front near side, the stub axle assembly with the kingpin, and Mike has been doing a lot of restoration work on this. He managed to get all the layers of paint and dirt and grease and muck, and it shines like a new pin. And he's literally done a really nice job on this. When you see the other side of it where the axle is, that is absolutely pristine. Well done, Mike. It'll serve the bus well. I think you will agree that is an excellent job, and the rest of the bus is coming on nicely. All the metal panelling is almost complete, and again, I love these little posters that are dotted around the museum, and this one in particular with the cartoon version of a single deck bus. And if you look at the number plate, I think it's dated 1938. like I said, the museum is in absolutely tip-top condition. And poor old Alice here, I think the horse has pulled the coach a little bit too fast round the last bend. I think everybody's gone off and left her to it. Poor old Alice. Anyway, that's me finished. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye for now.